Do you dream of a flat belly but find that traditional diets and workouts aren't delivering the results you hoped for? What if I told you that the answer might lie in one simple change to your diet, a change that could help you burn stubborn belly fat naturally? Dr. Ben Beeman, a renowned scientist in metabolic health, suggests that 99% of people can target belly fat using a specific type of sugar, fructose. And the best part? This isn't about depriving yourself of sweetness, it's about choosing the right sugars that promote fat burning. Fructose, the hidden culprit behind belly fat. Fructose is one of the primary sugars that contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat around our internal organs. Unlike glucose, which leads to fat accumulation beneath the skin, subcutaneous fat, fructose selectively promotes the dangerous visceral fat that surrounds vital organs, particularly in the abdominal area. In a human study comparing fructose and glucose consumption, both groups gained fat, but the fructose group specifically accumulated more visceral fat, leading to serious long-term health consequences. Visceral fat is especially harmful because it can contribute to insulin resistance, higher risk of cardiovascular disease, and other chronic conditions. So, it's essential to understand where fructose is hiding in your diet and how it affects your body. Alose, the natural sugar that can help burn belly fat. While fructose is the enemy when it comes to belly fat, there's a twin sugar, allose, that acts as a perfect alternative. A rare sugar found naturally in fruits like figs, raisins, and jackfruit, allose has a similar structure to fructose but with one significant difference: the body metabolizes it differently. Unlike fructose, allose doesn't cause blood sugar spikes, and more importantly, it doesn't promote fat storage. Instead, it's excreted largely from the body, making it virtually non-caloric. Research suggests that allose can help balance insulin levels and may even stimulate fat burning. One of the key benefits of allose is its impact on the hormone GLP-1, which plays a vital role in regulating appetite and boosting fat oxidation. GLP-1 is also targeted by popular weight loss medications like Ozempic, but with allose, the body produces more of it naturally, leading to a reduction in cravings and an increased sense of fullness. By consuming allose, individuals may naturally feel fuller for longer and be less likely to overeat, which is crucial for those struggling with weight loss. Example: a real-life case from ABC News. Consider the story of John, a 65-year-old man from Florida. Like many seniors, John struggled with belly fat despite maintaining a regular exercise routine. He decided to give allose a try after reading about its fat-burning potential in a journal article. Within just a few weeks of replacing regular sugar with allose in his coffee and smoothies, John began to notice a change. His cravings decreased, he felt more energized, and most importantly, he started seeing a reduction in belly fat. This wasn't just wishful thinking. His blood tests confirmed that his insulin levels were more stable, and his body was burning fat more efficiently. John's case is just one example of how a simple diet change can make a significant difference in weight loss and overall health. Allose is incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. You can use it as a sugar substitute in your coffee, tea, or even in baking recipes. Unlike other artificial sweeteners, allose doesn't have a bitter aftertaste, making it a great natural alternative. Additionally, it can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve fat metabolism without the digestive issues or insulin resistance associated with artificial sweeteners like aspartame or stevia. While allose is available in various products, It's important to choose options where Alose is the primary sweetener, not just an additive. For maximum benefits, look for pure Alose in syrups, jams, or as a standalone sweetener. Why Alose is better than other sweeteners? Unlike common sweeteners like stevia or aspartame, Alose offers a more profound benefit because it not only serves as a sugar substitute but also helps stimulate GLP-1 production, which leads to better fat burning and appetite regulation. In fact, research has shown that Alose's ability to increase GLP-1 levels makes it one of the most unique and beneficial sweeteners available. If you're looking for a way to cut down on sugar while also enhancing fat loss, Alose might just be the perfect solution. Incorporating Alose into your diet can be a game changer if you're trying to lose belly fat and maintain a healthy weight. Unlike regular sugar, which fuels belly fat accumulation, Alose helps regulate insulin levels, boosts metabolism, and reduces cravings. Whether you're dealing with stubborn belly fat or simply trying to improve your overall health, Alose offers a natural, safe, and effective solution. Remember, successful weight loss isn't just about eating less, it's about making smarter food choices. By switching to Alose and reducing your intake of fructose, you're taking a big step toward a healthier, slimmer body. And don't forget, the power of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistent lifestyle habits cannot be overstated. By making small changes in your daily routine, like incorporating this natural sweetener, you can achieve lasting results. So, if you're ready to burn belly fat and reclaim your health, start by making Alose a part of your diet. Your body and your belly will thank you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and weight loss. And let us know in the comments, have you tried using Alose, or are you considering making the switch? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.